This video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a pair of trekking shoes, technically hiking, trail running shoes. This is from the company NORTIV8. NORTIV8, I think's how you would say that. And I've got these in a US size 8.5, and I got them in black, and you can kind of see the shape of them there. Let's just open them up. Let's see what they look like. I did have these on and wearing them around. That's why they're a little dirty. And just for the purpose of this video, I put them back in the box. But let me just kind of like go over some of the things that I'd found out about these shoes. Number one, they've got a very cushioned like heel right there, very cushiony on the heel, but I really like, they've got a hard rubber backing on them that holds that down. So if your foot comes down and hits a rock or something, it protects it there. And the toe has a hard like front rubberized area right here to protect the toe area. A mesh top, so they're very breathable. And the liner is a removable like shoe liner. You could see that right there. And it's not the thickest of liners, but I do like the fact that it is removable. I've always liked these kind of like paracord style lacing like that. The tread pattern, they have these extra grip areas here. These things actually work way better than you think they would. They put these little areas right there that helps grip on wet rocks. If I'm stepping up on a rock or on like a tree, like a root or something like that, it helps step over it. They're very light. The whole shoes are a little over 2 pounds, the whole thing. And I'll be using these throughout. I tried them on and I walked around in them. I stepped up on some rocks, very grippy. These are like the type of shoes that are good for working outside, or just kind of like kicking around town or running the trail. I think these are good for about everything. You know what? There is some reflectiveness in there, just so y'all know. You can see that right there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the NORTIV8 hiking shoe. See y'all in the next video.